Hey guys, it's Mick here with Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty. And I'm here to address yet another common misconception or concern we have from buyers. And that is when should I buy? Should I wait for the market to go down or prices to go down? And we hear this every day. We've heard it for the past 10 years and we're going to hear it for the next 10. So I'm here today to discuss that. There are multiple sides to this debate. There's plenty of arguments either way, but there's some main things to consider when it looks at what pricing is going to do. And some of those things include interest rates, the state of the current economy, the season, of course, the market you're in also have a lot to do with that. So are prices going to go down? I don't know. I have three topics to hit on this subject. Subject or topic one here. So many industry experts say that there's going to be some fluctuation in prices here coming up over the next 12 to 18 months. A recent JP Morgan bank study released that encompassed about 120 markets around the United States really had a bunch of information, but it all semi-contradicted itself. Everywhere from markets will decrease by 20% all the way to not at all. Locally, though, which really matters more than anything, a recent article published by Forbes said that Lincoln, Nebraska specifically is going to be the hottest market in 2023. So that is great news if you live or own a home here in Lincoln, Nebraska. Talking point two here, or subject two, is, should I wait for the lowest possible time to try to buy a house? And honestly, there's just no way to know when that's going to be or when to target that. Honestly, when it comes to looking at moving, selling your house, and buying a house, the best time to do that is when it's best for your family. So make the choice that best suits your family. Common thing we like to say around here is, rates are up right now. Other situations are going, marry your house, date your rate, date other stuff. If you need to move, if you need more space, you'll find a way to make it work. And if you work with a strong lender, they'll make sure that you're doing it in a very comfortable fashion. Point number three I want to address with you guys today is from a recent report from the chief economist for the National Association of Builders. And he said that it's really important to be strategic when looking to buy a home and that patience is a lot different than waiting for a market crash. There's no indication right now that we're going to see a crash. More so, we're seeing a correction in the market, which is really good for everybody. On this point, it's really important to consider what happens, if you are someone who's waiting for like a crash to happen. If a real estate crash does occur, it's really risky to wait for that because more than likely, other areas of our economy are going to struggle significantly, which could have a huge impact on job security, income level, and other things. So waiting for that to happen might just be the worst thing you can do, knowing that, hey, prices go down, but possibly you lost your job or a steady stream of income. So those are the three topics to consider here when trying to figure out when you should purchase a home in our correcting markets. If you want more information on other buyer or seller related topics, just check out our blog and subscribe to this channel. Again, Mick here with Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty, and I can't wait to see you guys at our next video. Later. Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.